Controlling your ascent starts on the descent. Sounds obvious, but many divers forget it. If you carry too much weight, you'll need to inflate your BCD more to ascend, which can make you rise too fast. The best approach is to dive with the right amount of weight. Stay horizontal. Your body acts as a natural brake. If you're vertical, every kick can push you upward uncontrollably. Breathe in a controlled way. Use your lungs for small adjustments and your BCD only for major depth changes. A slow exhale helps you keep a steady ascent. The BCD isn't an elevator. Add air only when needed and release it in short bursts as you ascend. This helps you maintain neutral buoyancy and full control. Remember, the general rule is to ascend less than 9 meters per minute. Ascending slowly is safer and much more enjoyable.